this bathroom remodeling, I would like to share with you ideas that you can use in your project. This is a complete bathroom renovation in which we demolished and fixed the subfloor because it was damaged by a water leak. The bathtub is a Kohler Villager collection 30 by 60 cast iron right hand drain. In the bathroom we use 12 by 24 porcelain tile and all the bathroom walls. To give accent to the walls, we install pattern tiles that give it a modern look and finish. On the floor we install 12 by 24 tile and a matte finish, matching the colors on the walls. The vanity cabinet is 32-inch marble top and white with sink and pull-down bathroom faucet and a chrome finish. 30 by 26-inch lighter LED recessed mount mirror medicine cabinet with outlet was installed in this bathroom. The bathtub shower door is 60 by 60 semi-frameless sliding and a chrome finish. Vanity light is a simple elegant that illuminates this bathroom beautifully. A small storage and wall bathroom with a door that will be very useful for things in the bathroom. New installation of fan vent with integrated heat and light was installed to maintain comfortability in the bathroom. Shower niche is a custom size of 12 by 30 with trim around and chrome finish. 16-inch grab bar and a chrome finish was installed for this bathtub. 10-inch high pressure round shower head with handheld spray wall mounted suits this bathroom perfectly. In this bathroom all the accessories that were used are in a chrome finish.